Want to learn how people try to hack into stuff like Instagram, Facebook, or even Roblox? Well, you're in for a ride, because in this video, I'm going to show you how these hacking methods actually work. Yep, including Roblox. Don't judge me, that one's my favorite. Now, listen up. This is strictly for educational purposes. Only test on your own accounts or with someone's clear consent. Got it? So, before you even think about getting passwords, you've got to understand the methods behind it. There are three popular techniques people use to try and hack into accounts. First up, we've got the classic brute force attack. You might already know this one. Basically, it tries every possible combination of characters until it stumbles onto the right password. Sounds powerful, right? Okay, now be honest. Are you really going to brute force an Instagram password? Sure, there's a chance. But it's like 1 in a trillion. Instagram and Facebook will block your IP faster than you can say, forgot password. Next up, we've got the dictionary attack. Just like it sounds, this method uses a giant text file, sometimes thousands, even millions, of commonly used passwords. Can you crack a Roblox or Instagram account with this? Well, no, but hey, at least the odds just went from 1 in a trillion to 1 in a billion. So, progress? But here's where it gets interesting. If you know your target and you really think their password is something basic like 123456 or QWERTY123, then yeah, your chances shoot up a lot. So yeah, dictionary attacks work best when you've got some clue about the person. Total strangers? Not so much. All right, now for the big one, phishing. This is hands down one of the most effective ways to get someone's login info. And it's as simple as flying an airplane. Just kidding, it's more like riding a bicycle with training wheels. Okay, if you're under the age of 1, you might want to leave now. Let's get into how it works. With phishing, you create a fake login page, something that looks exactly like Instagram, Facebook, or even Roblox. The victim clicks your link, logs in, and you've got their info right there. First, you'll need Kali Linux installed on your PC. If you don't have it yet and want a full setup tutorial, just drop a comment. Once Kali Linux is ready, we'll grab a super simple tool from GitHub called Zphisher. Just search for Zphisher GitHub on Google. Click the first link you see, then hit the green code button and copy that URL. Or hey, I might have dropped the link in the description. Check there too. Now hop into Kali Linux and type this. This will download the Zphisher tool to your system. Next, type cd Zphisher, then ls. You'll see all the files inside the tool. Now type bash zphisher.esh. Boom, you've launched the tool. Once Zphisher opens, you'll see a list of platforms. For this example, let's pick Instagram. Just type 2 and hit enter. Next, it'll ask for the type of page. We'll go with the traditional login page, so type 1. Then choose Cloudflare, that's option 2. Now hit enter, type N, and then type N again. And there it is, a link you can copy and send to your test subject. With permission, of course. If they click that link and log in. Their username, IP, device, and password show up right there on your screen. So yeah, that's how phishing works, for educational purposes only. Please don't go full villain mode. If this helped you understand how these things work, smash that subscribe for more ethical hacking tips and tutorials. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment, I got you.